Hey guys, this is Broken Mangle, and I just wanted to show you guys some new goos I made. Remember my last video? It was a really hard video, but I made it through it, and I kind of made this really slimy and sparkly one. It's really white and sparkly. It's wiggly. And then my other one is getting really hard now. See it? But at least I can stretch it and have fun without it. I might be making a goo today. And plus I'll be wearing these ears from now on because it makes me look like Mangle a little. So yeah. So I made this other goo. I'm crazy about goo. I might be making another one today. I really want to check how borax and glue go together. I just want to see. I really do. Oopsie. Okay, so let me just go get something real quickly. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I got my stuff and everything. The borax is right behind you. One little bit smart pinch. Sprinkle it on here. Dab it. Then rub it. Do I have anything to mix it in with? I can mix it in with this, I guess. Wait, I think it's working. If this works, it's going to be in the history pages. I think I need a little bit more borax. I can't wait. I think it's going to work. Oh, I'm just singing this song. I forgot what it's called. Guys, you wouldn't believe that I'm saying this, but it worked. I just made my own way how to make goo. So try to mix glue with borax. And it works. It works. It definitely works. It's a really crunchy and slimy goo. It works. It looks really cool and it's really hard to crunch. But it worked. It worked. I think this is the way how to make non-sticky glue. Oh my gosh, it's like... Hey guys, so if I can lick my elbow, you guys are going to leave a thumbs up. Wait, I did it. Like my elbow. That means you guys have to leave a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later.